Okay, this is gonna take your cleaning game to the next level. Listen, stains happen anywhere, so you need Cordless. And this Cordless Spot Cleaner gets spots and stains clean anywhere, inside, outside, even on the go. If you want to know how annoying cords can be, well, my neighbor Tammy over here can tell you. Hey Tammy, how's it going?
Going great.
More than enough battery life, like 25 minutes on one charge. So you can get the whole car, from front to back. The living room, the kids' pool party, the patio, and wherever Gracie decides to throw her food. This pet attachment with rubber nubs is great for picking up pet messes. And it has a brushless motor. That means more power, longer life, and it's quieter. With this 5-foot hose and cordless power, it goes anywhere. Unlike Tammy. I'll be over in a minute, Tammy.
Got an extension cord?
And it's the same battery that works with every other HART 20-volt tool. HART, only at Walmart.